The term osteo means bone and porosis means porous or thinning. Osteoporosis is defined as thinning of bone due to reduction in the bone tissue mass. It is a clinical syndrome including many bones in which there is quantitative reduction in the bone tissue mass. This reduction in the bone tissue mass results in the fragile skeleton, which is associated with increased risk of fractures, pain and deformity. Osteoporosis is divided into two major groups, primary and secondary. Primary osteoporosis results primarily from osteopenia or slow bone formation without any underlying disease or medication. Further, the primary osteoporosis is divided into two types, the idiopathic type and the involutional type. In the idiopathic osteoporosis, what happens? It is mostly seen in the young children and it is less frequent. Involutional type is mostly seen in post-menopausal women and aging individuals. Some risk factors which leads to imbalance between the idiopathic and involutional types are deficiency of sex hormone, deficiency of vitamin D, the combined deficiency of calcitonin and estrogen, hyperparathyroidism, reduced physical activity, and many more. Secondary osteoporosis is attributed to number of factors and causes and underlying diseases or as effect of medications like steroids, cyclosporin, heparin and anticonvulsants. Bone X-ray, bone densitometry, the T-score of -2.5 standard deviation indicates osteoporosis. T-score is a simplified way of reporting bone density. According to WHO, T-score greater than or equal to -1 indicates you have normal bones. If your T-score lies between -1 to -2.5, it means you are suffering from osteopenia. And if your T-score it is greater than or equal to -2.5, it indicates osteoporosis. A diet rich in protein and calcium is advised to the patients at risk along with the calcium and vitamin D supplementations. Hormone replacement therapy may be advised to post-menopausal women and the men with hypogonadism may be treated with testosterone. Old patients should not be bedridden for prolonged period. They should be advised exercises while in bed. For that, you may check my previous IGTV.